Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last videos we have learned how to make a Spring Boot application and how to add some HTML pages and HTML template by using theme leaf in Spring Boot. Now we are going to understand how you can make authentication mechanism by using Spring Security in your Spring Boot application. Right now, if you see that application is running without any problem and we do not have any authentication here in any particular web page, but we want to add. For that, simply just we have to open this form file, and after that form file, go to this and we have a add dependency boot starter. Click on this and it will ask to add the dependency if you require more. Remember that if you only want to add Spring Security and you don't want authentication from Google or Facebook or GitHub, but you want only simple authentication from Spring Boot and you want to add some database also at the backend like MySQL for authentication, then Spring Security is okay. But I'm going to use you can say Gmail and GitHub also. That's why I'm using this OAuth. So either you use Spring Security or may you have OAuth2. Remember that OAuth2 is required if you want external authentication like Gmail and Facebook, GitHub. Otherwise Spring Security is okay. But if I install this, Spring Security automatically will be implemented. Click here and it will initialize and it will add this dependency. You see this dependency is there. Select this file, I have to add this in and I say finish, and you see that automatically I will have this auth in this file. Remember, done, everything is done. This is done. Here I close this. Now I refresh the application and remember that everything was fine earlier. Then I refresh my application and you see that automatically my website is inside authentication. So it will ask to log in. You can open any page, nothing will be open and you will have the authentication. For that it will show the default password also. If you see, it will show some password also here, maybe something, but that is complication is there. We don't have the password right now, but it show password also and you have to check the everything, but you can create your own password, default password. So for that, go to this application and here you say spring.security username like this, and I say Dr. Vipin for example, and then I say spring.security.user.password, and here I say Vipin123 is the password. Remember that. So this is the configuration file. I set this. Dr. Vipin is the username, Vipin123 is the password, and I refresh this. You see, once I refresh and I go to this, here I say Dr. Vipin and I say Vipin123 sign in, and not coming. Okay, I have to refresh. I think I say Dr. Vipin and I say Vipin123. Yeah, you see, login, and I'm able to log in now, and now I can access the page, any page, whatever I want, you see, and user info also. If I want to add user info, everything is open now. But problem is that if once again I try to run this application, you see, if I close the application and once again I start the application, and I'm closing this and I go to the browser and I refresh it like home like this, and you see it asking to implement the again. I say Dr. Vipin and I say Vipin123. Remember, login. But here we log in. Until this application is running, you are not able to log out because you don't know how to log out it. So for log out that, I just open this home page, index 1, and here this button is there, alert. So I'm removing this. In place of this, I say here log out. It will reach to logout page, and logout page, we have to go to the logout page on click of this. So I need to remove this to the anchor tag. Remember that. And here I say href to logout, and I'm converting this button to this, and here I say logout, you see, and I save this. Remember that, and refresh this. You have a logout, look like a button, but if I click it, it go to logout page and click it, and again you have successfully signed out. Then again if you go to any page now, about or anything, then you have to log in. Again, you have to do Dr. Vipin 123, remember, then login, and you are on about page, everything is open. But from here you can't log out, you have to go to the home page. Here you have logout. Once you log out, then again you have to log in, otherwise you will be login for your website without any problem. Now problem is that now if I log out here, go there, problem is that we are not able to log in with Gmail and GitHub or any other site. For that you need to set OAuth client ID and their signature. For that I am going to explain you in next video how you can add this. So if you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.